Namaste, Eastern wisdom. When you learn the Eastern wisdom from a teacher, mentor, and a guide, you discover permanent peace, happiness, love, wisdom. You break the myth. You break the myth that there is no permanent peace, happiness, love, and wisdom. You break the second myth that peace, happiness, love, wisdom are located outside. It is located within you. It is your real self. It is your essential nature. So, entire journey of learning from a mentor, guide, and a coach belonging to the Eastern wisdom, you learn the secret principles of Eastern wisdom, doubt-free knowledge about who we are, what is this world, what is the supreme consciousness. So the fear, anxiety, duality, conflict drops away. You receive a personalized practices every time. Because we, in the journey of the Eastern wisdom, personalizes the practices every time you meet, depending on your challenges, problems, and suffering. It brings an end to the suffering. It manages physical, mental, emotional challenges and the problems. You move from the emotional dependence to the emotional freedom. You awaken to the inner qualities of the calm, peace, joy, a force of the leadership that comes from you within and translates into thought, speech, and action. You want to know more about it? You can learn. You can know more about these programs and practices.